What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in today's video we're going to check out this 4-channel dash cam right here, which you can use inside your car. And today I'm going to check out all the features of this right here. I'm going to show you guys the video quality of this as well, so if it's something usable inside your car. I'm going to show you guys all the features of this as well, so make sure you stay tuned and watch actually how this actually works. So the company though this sends out to me, so all of my opinion is my own. And yeah, so check it out. Links for this guys down in the description of this video as well, so if you guys interested in picking up one of these, you can check the link in the description. So this is the 4-channel dash cam right here. Looks something like this. I'm gonna move on to this later on in this video. So let's see what else inside. I like the packaging, this foam right here. Keep it protected. Okay. So let's see, we have a lot of stuff inside right here, which I'm going to go through. So this right here, let's see what is this. So this is the cigarette lighter slot to USB-C. This is what used to power the camera. Also in the package we have a back camera right here. So it's gonna go at the rear view glass. So we got some M-tape sticking on right here. Let's put that to the side. So this is the camera right here to the back. That's how it look. And this right here we have a cable gonna plug into a camera. See what else. Okay, now so this one right here come with a hard wire, so which means that this gonna plug into your car, which gonna bring power to this even when the car is off. So it's really great that you have included this in the package. I know many manufacturers or many brands don't put this inside it, you have to purchase it separately, but for this one right here it comes with it, so you can attach it in your car for that G sensor activation. So if your car is parked and someone bump into your car, and this right here, you can access a full power straight recording 24 hours with this right here, which is really great. And it comes with a bit of fuse right here. And also guys, in the package right here we have our pricing tool, and let's see what else we have inside right here. So this comes with a lot of package, lot of stuff. So we have our pricing tools right here. We have a USB to USB Type-C. We have some 3M tape mounts. We got some other 3M tape mounts right here. We got some cards, get some warranty cards, get some stickers, or some tilts they're gonna go on your windscreen. Some protection film, I should call them, right here. And we got the user manual right here, which you can go through. Lot of stuff inside right here. So you guys can see this is a great packaging, very premium product right here. We have a lot of stuff which we are going to debunk and install into our car. So before I do that, I'm going to show you guys some of the quality of this right here. So I'm going to hook it up right now, show you guys some of the features and so forth. Alright guys, so taking a closer look at this dash cam right here, you can see we have the screen right here with some bit amount of menu to this right here. So we can see the power button, the menu button, OK button, and also the navigation button right here. With these two camera right here, you can turn 180 degrees. So right there, you can see. And this one right here, you can turn the next 180 degrees. And we have a camera right here to the front, which stays. And you can also turn as well up and down to the side. more like a rotational turning. And we have a back camera as well, which gonna go into the back for the installation, like in your rear view mirror, which is this one right here. You guys can see this one. So right there you can see we have a 360 degrees of angle inside your car. So if you meet into any accident, whether from front, whether from back to the side, this right here gonna protect you in all of those areas. So as you can see right now, we have a mounting tapes on the back right here. So I think this can come off, so you can attach this, detach it from your glass. And also inside right here we have a SD card which come inside. Let me see how much is this. Right there guys, you can see it. We have a whopping 128 gigabytes of storage, so you don't have to worry about storage. And this right here can overwrite as well, so if your space might full, you can overwrite it to create new files on your SD card. So put that back in. And also to this section right here, we have a USB connection for the power input. So looking really nice. This material though is made from plastic. Feel really nice. Texture right here. And this right here can adjust as well, which I forgot to mention. So as you can see, this section right here can turn and twist, as you guys can see right there, which is really nice as well. So we can get some great angle onto this. So I'm gonna pull it up right now, let you guys see how this actually works. Right, so I think we are getting some power into this right now. So some warning on the screen, which I'm going to outline for you guys. And it says, please ensure to use a U3 micro SD card and format SD card in the dash cam before using. Number 2 says, please use the car cigarette lighter to provide the dash cam. Always connect to the cigarette lighter while recording, which this right here cannot have power on its own, so you always have to stay to a power outlet for this actually works. So please ensure that your connect is your cigarette lighter or any power source that you have inside your car, or as I said earlier on, wire this to your battery. That's very nice, great information right there. Take off this. A little display right there, very nice. So let me zoom in a bit so you guys can see what exactly is going on my screen right there. So right there you can choose your language, which mine is gonna be English. Click on OK for that. Format SD card. Let's see if it's touchscreen. No, it's not touchscreen. So go over OK. Formatting SD card. Format successfully. And as you can see right there already, I am getting signal from this, and it's been recording right there, so you can see right there. And this right here is, I'm not sure what's the quality of this. Let's see if it's 4K. I think it's 4K quality, because most of these devices right now is recorded in 4K. But the quality looks decent from the screen right there, the display. I love how it actually looks. And as you can see, we have the front, we have the front left, we have the front right, and it's been recorded right now, as you can see right there. And let's see what's on the menu right here. Show you guys what's on the menu. Alright guys, so we are going to go through some of the menu right here so you guys can see. So you have the Wi-Fi right there. So it's open, so you can scan this to connect it to your phone, so you can turn that off or on. Also we have the Wi-Fi band, which is 5G. Let's see, 5G and 2.4G. We have 5G right there. And also we have the resolution right here. Let's see the resolution we have. So we have 1080p, 1080p, 1080p for all 4 cameras. Also we can choose the option where we can have 1440p by 720, 720 and 1080p. So right there is not really the best option, so I'm going to put all 4 monitors right there, or 4 cameras I should say, and 1080p, which is a great option in my opinion. So the recording time is 1 minute, So this is gonna give you guys a time lapse of how long each recording time loops gonna give, and it so you can choose, depends, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Put mine at 3 minutes. Also we have the sound, which is open or close, so you can decide if you want to record with sound as well or turn off the sound. We keep that on open, and we can mirror lens. We can put that on close or open. Also we can mirror for the left and right. Screensaver off or on, so we can turn on screensaver off or on after 1 minute. I like to keep on screensaver after 1 minute. And also we can split view mode. So you can see right there, we can have view, front view, rear view, or split view, which gonna show us all of the cameras. I like to keep mine on split view because I see what is going on all cameras. The volume, so we can have it on high, low, or off. Put mine at middle right there. Keep it on that. Right, IR light, automatic. We see what option we have right here. Automatic, open, close. Keep it at automatic. Gravity sensing. So this basically probably determine how the trigger of the auto recording and the G sensing. So it's gravity sensing, G sensing. Yeah, that's it. So this, when I jump in and look into patrol, this might trigger off some lock videos or G sensing videos where I actually record. So I like to keep mine on low because sometimes it can be a little bit annoying when that trigger off. And also we have parking monitoring. We can keep that to on, off, low, middle, high. So keep mine at low. And also language, which have English right there. Time settings, so we can set the time on this right here, date and time. Alright guys, so one of the things that we like about these dash camera right here is the ability to have access to these files on our phone. Now if you guys have this product right here and have them use the manual, you can scan the first page on the front right here where you can download the app for your iOS device or your Android device. Now the app right here looks something like this. That's the name of the app right there that you guys can download from their Apple Play Store or Android Store. So let me download that right now and see what this app has to offer. Okay guys, so let's dive into the app right here. Once it download, gonna allow and agree to some terms. We're gonna add our camera, and right there have the ability to scan it. So allow while using, allow. So it's trying to connect right there. Let me go back into the menu on this to see, install the camera and power it on. Okay, my camera is already on. Connect to Wi-Fi. So alright guys, as you can see right there, I have managed to connect my mobile phone onto this camera app right here. So as you can see, it's recording right now by that red icon on the screen. So let's see what are the function we have right in here. We have the speed. Let me go back. So we have the record pause, and we have the GPS right there. Also we have a camera mode where you can take pictures or a screenshot of your screen. Also there's basic things on this right here. We can enlarge the screen, we can push to add our voice command. So we see some files right here. So these are all the files which actually on the SD card, which are actually record, which is in a loop. So right here you can see these are all for the loop recording. So we have some snapshots that we have taken. So we have some lock videos. These are videos that trigger whenever they bump into an accident, like in a potholes, as I said earlier on, and so forth. And then we have our parking files right there, which we don't have any as yet because we have to wire that differently with the G sensor and those things. So these are all the files we can access, and then you can click on any of these files right here and download them on your phone. So we can download the files right here. As you guys can see, you can take a screenshot, we can delete it. So this is a way where we can use access our files onto this right here. So let me see one of the quality from this. GPS right there. Also we have the camera mode. We can take pictures or a screenshot of your screen. And we have the alright, so these are all the files that into this right here. And I think with these files as well, each of them is labeled differently. So we have the front, the left, the right. All of this camera is labeled differently. So that's it for this app right here. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, I have it installed in my glass right there. Press on some menus, you guys can see. So I'm showing right now the 3 views. The back camera is not connected as yet. I'm gonna connect it right now. Let you guys see all 3 camera of this right here. I'll let you guys see the quality which this actually produced. Alright guys, so right now I'm on the road and I'm testing the quality of this right here. So as I said, each of these camera is 1080p, 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 and it's actually showing 4 channel right here on my screen. I mean, the screen is a bit small, so I'm not gonna see what is on it that much, but I'm just going to test it out. Let me know what you guys think about this quality that each of these camera is actually showing. And also I'm recording with this with the voice on as well, so you guys can hear the audio from this. So if this can use, if the audio on this is usable, let me know what you guys think as well. So I'm testing right now. Let you guys see. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's just my testing of this product right here. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and the links for this guys is down in the description below. And the thing I love about it as well is that I can go on my mobile phone and review the footage from my videos on that right here, which is really great option if you want a quick access to your files and so forth. So hope this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.